Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to change Gamertag on Xbox app. To begin, open the Xbox app on your phone. Once it's open, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, which may display an avatar or symbol, and from there, tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you see the support and feedback section. And after accessing the support and feedback section, tap on the help topics. And from there, locate and expand the manage your account and profile topic. And at the top of this section, you will see the topic titled How to Change Your Xbox Gamer Tag. And at the bottom of the How to Change Your Xbox Gamer Tag page, you will find various methods to change your gamer tag. Under the Ways to Go and Change Your Gamer Tag section, you will see the option to change your gamer tag through the web console. Click on this option to expand it. Click on the Choose Your New Gamer Tag button, which will take you to the Microsoft login page. Sign in with your account information to proceed. And after signing in, you will be redirected to the Choose Your New Gamer Tag page. And here, you can enter your preferred gamer tag and check its availability. Keep in mind that gamer tags can have up to 12 characters including spaces and cannot start with a number. And then if you want to go and change it, then all you need to do is go and tap on change gamer tag, and then your gamer tag is going to be changed. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.